Welcome to our next RV tour. We are in a Class A 40-foot THOR Motorcoach. This one has marble flooring. It has all the highest amenities. It is quite expensive. My daughter just turned the lights off. First off, the stairs are made of solid surface.
It's called marble, honey.
No, the stairs are not marble.
Oh, the stairs are a solid surface. You're right.
Okay.
My mistake.
Leather. One thing I like about Class A's is the front windshield. I mean, to see the country with such a dynamic view is awesome. Right?
Yeah.
Lots of storage right up there.
This steering wheel, this seat is pretty amazing.
Oh, put your Starbucks drink there.
Oh yeah, put my Starbucks drink over there.
Okay.
Wow, there's all the controls over here. That's cool.
All the controls? Oh wow, yeah.
I have massive view.
Got little fans up there for when you're hot. It's got a banquette, seating for two, very plush seats. Lots of storage in there for sure. And then we've got a couch that probably turns into a bed. And then that is rolling out. Is that all the way out?
Almost.
So that's a slide, but then you would pull this counter out.
Yeah, that's all.
Wow, that gives you.
For extra counter
And so
space.
that is a cover for your stove.
Oh, yeah.
Tile backsplash glass, and that's an interesting place to put a fireplace. Okay.
Yeah, that is quite interesting.
All of this is solid surface. This is not granite. This is like
No.
a corian. It's what's put in.
Right.
It's what's put into most of these things. I like a sink in front of a window. Lots of cabinet space. Nice farm sink. Dishwasher.
It's an outlet, honey.
It's an outlet? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's walk in there, Olivia. Let's check that out. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
We're getting this one.
Yeah. Okay, remind you guys, it's $340,000. In case you want to sit down in your tub. I mean, in your shower.
Olivia?
Oh, it's got two doors. Do that again. It's got two doors going in and out of
It's really not a half bath. It's the only bath.
Oh, it's the only bathroom. But
it
it's
can
a
act
way
like
for
a
you
half
to use
bath
it.
Too,
Okay, yeah.
because
there's a total of 3 sinks then.
Because of the double doors. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Oh.
that, but
I
it
did.
popped up.
I did.
So the TV pops up. You've got another fireplace in the bedroom.
Washer and dryer.
Oh, washer and dryer back here. Okay. Lots of space here. I mean, really, we talk about downsizing, but there's so much storage in these things. You really don't have to get rid of everything. We are in a THOR Motorcoach. This one is going for $400,000, and it is, we think, a 45-footer. And it has marble flooring. It has a slide out in the kitchen. You've got a gas stove, a dishwasher, fireplace right here. You also have one in the bedroom, and it's quite spacious. It's quite spacious. So you wouldn't be able to get. Somebody's got a question. What do you got to say?
It's not a question.
Oh, what do you want to say?
It's a comment.
What do you
If
want to say?
Purchase this one.
Yeah.
You can hire me, since I am a truck driver,
Oh.
as your personal driver.
And he'll drive it for you.
And I'll drive
Yeah.
it for you.
All right. Okay.
A couple things of this motor coach that we missed. Number one, in the master bedroom, the bed sits up. It leans up so you can be in a seated position while you're in bed to read or whatever like that. Number two, right above the driver and passenger seat is a loft bed that it comes down
So
off the
Olivia
wall.
could sleep up there.
So yeah, we could get this one. We could get this one because we have a sleeping place for my daughter. We have a really nice place for my wife and I.
Yeah. Look at and
Michelle,
plenty of space for the
and-
dogs.
We can keep our car and just tow it behind.
There you go. We wouldn't have to sell the car.
Yeah, all we have to do is come up with $440,000. $340,000. Sorry.
400,000.
No, it says 339. The
Oh,
other
340.
one is. The other one is.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Here we go. We're gonna pull the bed down. Go ahead and pull that bed down.
There's where
See how far it goes down. What?
There's a
And there's a TV that comes out of it.
There's a TV up there for
Whoa.
What do you think?
That's a
Olivia?
full-size bed. And where's the ladder? Oh, she's just going to use the chair to get in. I don't think she'd have a problem with that.
I don't think she would at all.
I'm glad we came in one of these.
I'm excited about this. I'm going to have to work harder to make more money.
Yeah.
Now I know why people buy Class A's.
Yeah, now
This
this
is
one,
Class A.
this is quite a lot of room, actually.
I will say it does.
Bounce a little bit.
Yeah.
What's in this?
You've got
Okay.
You
storage.
got storage up there for
But
you?
look, you can't open this one with the strap.
Storage.
The
No,
strap's
so-
here. You can't. You can't.
So, what we would do is we would designate one of the.
But keep in mind, there's no room for clothes for her, so she would have to
Yeah.
have clothes back here.
And you can't really. This isn't the.
It's for
but you can't-
sleeping.
Right, I know.
It's for sleeping. You're not going to be spending your life up there.
So there's a total of 3 TVs in this unit. Right over here, I'm going to add more videos. We keep doing more and more RV tours, and so up top we'll put maybe a 5th wheel, and down here we're going to put Class C that we went into. Enjoy yourselves. If you have any questions, please comment below and let me know, and we will answer them for you. All right. From the Hanks family,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.